Hi, here is Yuki from CRUKING. Today we are going to talk about this excavator. As you can see, it is a B75ECO wheeled excavator. Unlike parallel excavator, it's working on the wheels. Wheeled excavator is invest less and moving faster than parallel excavators. Next, let us see more details about this excavator.
Parallel excavator has strong climbing ability and passability, and is suitable for all kinds of harsh terrain and large-scale engineering construction. Compared with parallel excavator suitable for mines and deserts, tire excavator, on the other hand, are more suitable for urban and diverse working environments, as they do not cause too much damage to roads and grounds, can be quickly relocated, and are more flexible in environments, such as construction sites. This excavator weighs 6,000 kg, with standard bucket 0.2 cubic meters by virtue of its flexibility. It is suitable for sand farm, landscaping, pipeline construction, municipal, public utility, and other engineering operations. Rated power 36.8 kilowatts. Larger power margin, sufficient power reserve, ensure the reliability of the machine in harsh working conditions.
CRUKING has a strong after-sales service, so if you are interested in this excavator, please feel free to contact us. And here is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.